All right, let's take a quick look at what's going on with your WPTV First Alert forecast. Here is downtown West Palm Beach and the intra-coastal, and we have, excuse me, called a weather alert for today, for this afternoon, starting around 1 o'clock through about 7 o'clock this evening. That's when I think we'll see the most rainfall today. This morning, not so bad. I mean, there is some light rainfall around, but a reminder that we still have flood watches in effect for our entire viewing area until 8 p.m. Sunday for the Treasure Coast and Okeechobee County. Of course, those areas have already seen a lot of flooding, especially the Treasure Coast. And for Palm Beach County until 8 p.m. tomorrow evening, although that may be extended into a little further into the weekend. Here's a quick look at Viper radar this morning. We have some showers around. It's mostly light rainfall, so it's not as bad as the past few mornings, but it is adding insult to injury along the roadways there, which are already wet, and so things could be slick in spots where there is some rainfall coming down this morning, but the heavier stuff, as I mentioned, won't be around until this afternoon as more of this moisture off to our southwest and south starts to move into our viewing area. So here's Vipercast, and you'll see this morning there is some rainfall around, excuse me, but as we get to the afternoon hours, that's when things really start to pick up. Numerous showers and a few strong thunderstorms possible through the afternoon, and that's when we could see some localized flooding. Now, as we get into the weekend, we're going to watch this area of low pressure. It's a big circulation down here. In the middle of that low is Tropical Depression Cristobal, which will also be lifting up to the north as we make our way through the weekend. And the rainfall that's on the eastern side of this low moves up toward Florida as we get into the weekend as well. So the big question will be, how close will that low be to us? If it's closer to us, we get more rain. If it moves over to the west a little bit, we get less rainfall. Right now, rainfall estimates for the next couple of days are around 1 inch to 1.5 inches, and then maybe another 1.5 inches on Sunday as that low moves up to the north. Temperatures right now are in the 70s across the area, low 70s inland, mid to upper 70s along the coast. We will make it into the mid 80s today, a few low 80s along the northern Treasure Coast. Our temperature trend goes up a little bit on Saturday and Sunday into the upper 80s, and then back down into the low to mid 80s as we get into next week. Also, rain chances go up and down a little bit. Today, a 70% chance for rain. Tomorrow, 60%. Sunday, back up to 70% as that low moves up into the Gulf of Mexico there toward Louisiana, and then a slow decrease in rain chances. Monday, 60%, Tuesday, 50%, Wednesday, 40%, and then eventually 30% on Thursday of next week. That's a look at your forecast.